Hi, hello everybody. Now welcome to you, all of you. And now in today's video we're discussing about position of ovule. Okay, according to position, ovule, basically 5 types of ovule are present in a flower. Okay, in an angiosperm flower. So these types are basically horizontal type of ovule, erect type of ovule, pendulous type of ovule, ascending type of ovule, and also suspended type of ovule. Okay, so these 5 types of we discuss in this video. Okay, so first of all we discuss about horizontal type of video. So basically in this video we discuss about 5 types of ovule and their images. Okay, so first of all we discuss about horizontal types of ovule. Basically when the ovule arises from horizontally according to the ovarian wall, this is called horizontal type of ovule. Okay, so if we see the picture, then figure A indicate the horizontal type of ovule, where the ovule arises from the ovarian wall according to horizontal way. Okay, so this is horizontally arises. Okay, next we talk about erect type of ovule. Basically when the ovule arises from the base of the ovary. Okay, basically when the ovule yes, just a minute. Yes, when the ovule arises from the base of the ovary and remain erect, means remain erect. Okay, remain straight. So this type of ovule is called erect types of ovule. So picture B also indicate this type of ovule. Picture B, you know this type of ovule, means here this is the picture B. This is the picture B, and this type of ovule is show the erect types of ovule. Okay. Next we talk about pendulous type of ovule. Basically when the ovule grows from the upper diagonal side or corner side, okay, upper corner side, then this type of ovule is called pendulous ovule. Basically they are hanging downward. Okay, they are hanging downward because of they are actually developed from the upper ovarian wall, upper corner of the ovarian wall. That's the reason they are hanging like downward. Okay, and figure C show this type of ovule. Okay, figure C show this type of ovule because this type of ovule arises from the upper part. Sorry, this is the upper part. Okay, so this is the pendulous type of ovule, and this is one type of if you know about the pendulous watch, then you can easily compare it with the pendulous watch. So because this type of ovule somewhat look like pendule. Okay, so that's the reason it is called pendulous type of ovule. Okay, next we discuss about ascending types of ovule. Basically figure D also showing you the ascending type of ovule. Ascending means when the ovule arises from the lower corner side of the ovarian wall. This is called ascending type of ovule, and this ovule also remain in the upper direction. Okay, is directed to the upward. So this type of ovule is called ascending types of ovule. So I hope you see here the picture D. Picture D also show you this type of images. Okay, so this is ascending. And next we talk about suspended. So figure number E show you the suspended type of ovule. Basically here the ovule arises from the upper part, okay, or the opposite of the base. Okay, arises from the opposite of the base and hanging in the ovary. Okay, so hanging in the ovary. So here this is figure E also show you this type of structure. Okay, so here this is called suspended type of ovule. So I hope this video is useful to you, and if you have any question regarding this video, then you can ask me in comment section. Okay, and otherwise in next video we discuss about any of the useful topic that are helpful to you. And now for today I want to say you goodbye, and I will meet you in the next video. So thank you very much. Take care from this COVID crisis. Okay, goodbye, tata.